My name is Joan, and I am on a journey to make my family home look gorgeous and cozy. Today, I want to share with you how I style my shelves. Step 1, start off with a clean slate. Step 2, pick a color palette, and you can do this in a few ways. Look in your room, look in your closet, or go on Pinterest to find color schemes that spark joy. From there, you want to gather what you have and thrift what you don't have. The key here is variety. Everything home decor is about layering and depth, so let's start off with a simple layer using picture frames. No matter where I place the first one, I won't put the next one right above it because that looks too busy. Instead, I put them diagonal from each other to allow the eye to relax. Another thing I like to do is stack picture frames like this. Now we bring in books and magazines. These are great because you can put them vertically or horizontally with the spine showing or with the book pages showing instead for another layer of interest. I love to use books to elevate other items like this. So, remember what I said about layering and depth? Well, here's where it really comes in. Bring in vertical layering by putting shorter items next to taller ones. Also, pull some items forward while pushing others towards the back of the shelves to bring in that element of depth. Now, let's add greenery to pull everything together. Before you add too much to the shelves, keep in mind the eyes like to roam and have areas to focus on. If there's too much going on, the eyes will feel overwhelmed, just as you may feel overwhelmed with all this information. So feel free to rewatch this video and ask me any questions you have. Bye!